The iDevices Connected app provides you with insights into your home's energy usage by showing the wattage draw, estimated cost, and average hours products are used. The energy reporting feature is available for the iDevices switch, outdoor switch, and wall outlet. When location services are enabled, the app will show your local, state, or province rates. If location services are not enabled, the national average will be shown. If you wish to customize your energy rate, you can tap on the home name from the dashboard. Then, scroll down to Energy Rate. Then, tap on My Rate. Here, you can enter the specific rate you find on your energy bill. Tap Done to save your changes. To view the energy report, tap on the Energy tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you will see the Day View. In the Energy Report, Day View will show you the average wattage, cost, and hours products are used per day in your whole home. If you swipe left or tap on the tabs at the top, you can also view your home averages for the week, month, year, or all time. Tapping on an individual product gives you energy insights into that specific product for any time frame you choose. If you want to learn more about iDevices products or need additional help, head over to iDevicesInc.com/support.